everybody. Today is March 9th, 2018. We're outside the Sloan Morgan Building at the CPCC Central Campus. And we're here to check out an amazing elevator. It's the only relay-controlled Dover impulse I've ever ridden. Installed in 1986. It's a rather interesting one too. Filming with a new camera, DieselDucy G10. This elevator was installed in 1986. It has Dover traditional call stations, but impulse fixtures inside. And it's already here. Older style Dover browse. It's a little under level too. Let's get you the cab view. It's a very nice elevator. Runs very well. The floor indicator's worked out though. Speaking of the floor indicator, there's one thing you can't see. This building apparently was designed to be expanded in the future, which never happened. Notice how 1 and 2 is off to the left side of this COP? Well, if you shine a flashlight up here, you'll see a 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Now, how interesting is that? Let's get a look at the emergency phone. Again, a very smooth running elevator. We'll let it close up. It takes a minute. Hope you guys enjoyed it.